If you're a manga fan, you definitely want to check out Frieren Journeys Beyond Journey's End. Such an amazing manga. I really, really liked it. I heard about it a while back. I didn't think it was like a big deal, but it's amazing. So if you've seen the anime, which is so good, really, really good, definitely check out the manga. So basically, this is Frieren, and then this is her older party. So long story short, a lot of manga they start with, oh, the party's gonna go fight the main enemy, the final boss, the demon lord or whatever, or king or something. In this manga, they already won. So this is the original party that went and fought the demon king or demon lord or whatever. They beat him, and then now it's starting from that point on. Like, what happened to the party next? What were their adventures? Did they stay friends? Did they grow out? What happened into the future when they got older? So they go into all of that. So and then that's where the story really starts. So it kind of ends this story and it starts the new one, but like right in the very beginning. So she's an elf, so she can live for a very long time. These two characters, he's the main hero, and then he's like the Catholic type of mage. He's a really funny character, and then he's a dwarf. So then these two are human. They have regular human lives, but she can live for like hundreds of years. So for her, it was like a very short time. The journey was very short. It was only like, I believe, 10 years, and it was like nothing for her. But for them, 10 years is a long time. And then even for their whole life, it's not even like that long for her. She's like, oh, you're already old. This was like a few days for her. Like 20, 30 years is like a little while. For us, it's like a lifetime. So you see what happens, how she feels about that. And then she goes on a new journey to then, go back and kind of relive some of the things that she did with her original party. But yeah, it's just really good. I can talk about it all day. I don't want to bore you too much, but the artwork is really nice. The anime is really, really nice. The music is amazing. But anyway, I'm not really talking about the anime here. I'm talking about the manga. But gushing a little bit because it's just so good. Her character is very cold in the beginning, and then she'll slowly start opening up to her emotions. So if you're a fan of fantasy, Lord of the Rings type of stuff, anything that's fantasy, medieval type of stuff, you'll really, really like this. Has all the magic and the enemies and all of that, so you'll enjoy it. So hope you check it out.